The purpose of this video is to show you two ways on how to access your Google Meet. So first is by typing meet.google.com. So open a browser, type in meet.google.com in the URL bar. Once you enter, go ahead and click on sign in. And this is where you enter your account, your email account, enter the password. And this is where you can join any scheduled meeting of the day from this view. Another way is to go to Google and go to the upper right corner where there's the 9 dots. And you can either click the Meet here or you can click on the calendar. Once you're in the calendar, you will see the scheduled meeting. And this is how you can join the Google Meet through calendar. Go and click on the blue bar where it says Join with Google Meet. And it'll bring you to the view that's called the waiting room. This is not the Meet yet. You're only in the waiting room. And if this is the first time you use Google Meet, you will ask for permission to use your microphone and your camera. And go ahead and allow it because it's how you join the meeting by using your camera and your microphone. So this is a preview of what it looks like when you're on camera. You can either click on Join Now on the green bar, or you can mute yourself before you joined. We found that it's distracting when it's more than one person speaking at the same time during Google Meet. So you can either mute yourself before you join, or you can join first and then mute yourself. Okay, so we're going to join. And now you are in Google Meet. So we're going to talk about different options. So on the bottom you see we already turned off our microphones to mute. I would like to show you what the closed caption is. So on the toolbar on below on the screen, if you go to the right, you will see turn on captions. As the closed caption is automatic generated text. It's very useful when you have audio quality issue, when you cannot hear another person clearly. It will show the caption. It's kind of nice. If you don't want it, go ahead and click it out. Go to the right, there's a more option on the 3 dots. And this is where you can change your layout. And there are 3 different kinds, and I only want to talk about 2 of them. So the sidebar is where you highlight the speaker and the rest of the group on the side. And the tiled format layout is where you can see everybody at the same time. And this is very useful when it's a large group. So go ahead and choose your layout. And there you go. And there you go. This is how you join the Meet. Once you finish your Meet, go ahead and click on this X to exit out. And we'll bring you back to the calendar. And this is how you access Google Meet from your calendar view, making sure you are in the right account. The Meet app seems to default to the primary Google account that the device was set up with. For example, Chromebook, you will definitely need to check your setting. And for all LIFO Academy associated Google Meet, you will need to use the lifoacademy.org email account. So make sure you are in the right account, and it should bring you to the right calendar to access the Google Meet.